In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate Etsy's platform to find and use their help center effectively. Whether you're a buyer or a seller, knowing how to access support can save you a lot of time and make your experience on Etsy much smoother. Let's dive in and explore each of these steps together. First, you'll want to visit the Etsy Philippines website. This platform is a treasure trove of handmade, vintage, and custom items, making it perfect for anyone looking for unique gifts. Once you're on the site, take a moment to appreciate the diversity of options available to you before proceeding with our task. Now let's scroll all the way down to the bottom of the homepage. You might notice a variety of links and categories here. But the one we're interested in today is the Help Center. This section is your gateway to resolving any issues you may encounter on Etsy, so it's essential to know where to find it. As you locate and click on the Help Center link, you'll be directed to a new page filled with a wealth of information designed to assist you. From FAQs to step-by-step instructions, this hub is dedicated to helping you navigate any difficulties or queries you might have about using Etsy. Once in the Help Center, look for the option labeled Contacting Etsy. Clicking on this link will lead you to another page focused specifically on the different ways you can reach Etsy's support team. This is particularly useful if you need personalized assistance or have specific questions that aren't covered by the general information. The next step is to find the link titled How to Contact Etsy Support. By clicking on this, you'll gain access to detailed instructions on the various methods Etsy provides for contacting their support team. These might include email, phone, or live chat options, each catered to different kinds of inquiries or problems. Finally, you'll want to click on Contact Support to proceed with reaching out to Etsy directly. At this point, you should see various options that include submitting a request form or selecting an appropriate category for your query. Follow the prompts and fill out any necessary information to ensure your issue is addressed efficiently. And there you have it, a straightforward guide to accessing Etsy's support system through their help center. By knowing how to navigate these resources, you empower yourself to tackle any hurdles you might face while shopping or selling on the platform. Remember, the help center is your friend, offering a wealth of information and a direct line to assistance when you need it. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful for you. Happy shopping on Etsy!